students. Hope you all are well. This is Shetu Mitro, lecturer, Department of Agriculture Studies, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Now you all are welcome to my quiz discussion class.
Today I will discuss about chapter 3 section 2. The name of the chapter is Special Production Related Agricultural Technology and the name of the section is Production Technology of Biofertilizer. After completing today's lesson, you are able to know what is azolla, production procedure of azolla biofertilizer, how to use azolla, importance of azolla biofertilizer, what is trichoderma, production procedure of trichoderma, importance of here azolla biofertilizer. Basically, azolla is a small aquatic fern. Azolla is grown in every district of our country. It is also known as khudipana, tetuliapana, putipana, kutipana, etc. It grows in paddy field, pond, doba, khal, confined water and river. Basically, Anabaena azolla named blue-green algae present in the dorsal part of azolla. Around 75,000 Anabaena lives in azolla. The algae takes 3 to 3.5% nitrogen from air and producing ammonia with the help of chemical process. Here you can see two images. The first image shown azolla and the second is the microscopic view of Anabaena, and this Anabaena present in azolla, basically the dorsal part of azolla. Production procedure of azolla. Weather condition is suitable for azolla production in our country. Generally, azolla survive in clay or muddy soil. It reproduces rapidly in 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Higher and lower temperature affect the multiplication of azolla. In high temperature like Chotro, Boishak, they don't breed but live. In hazardous situation, they can live in the spore of leaves. In favorable situation, they again start breeding. Wet weather is better for them, like rainy season. And it can also be cultivated mixing with boro and almond field. The production procedure of azolla is given below. First one, select a land, divide into 8 plots and create artificial pond for growing azolla. Then dig out the soil for pond and level the soil. After that, spread the plastic sheet around the ground to prevent water loss. 5 to 80 cm stagnant water is required for cultivation. Before azolla application, 2 gram carbofuran 5G should be sprayed. Rest production procedure of azolla. Snails and insects harm azolla, so they are to be removed. For preventing insect, carbofuran can be sprayed. Primarily, 500 to 800 gram vigorous algae seed is to be sprayed in per square meter. Azolla needs phosphorus to grow well, so 1 gram TSP, that is triple super phosphate fertilizer mixed with water and then applied per square meter. In favorable environment, within 10 to 20 days, azolla increases with vegetative process and become larger on both field and water. For azolla production in paddy field, 100 to 200 gram vigorous azolla is to be sprayed as seed after 5 to 7 days of transplanting. After 10 to 15 days, it can be mixed with the hand or can be transformed in another field, and thus azolla is turned into biofertilizer. Here you can see two images. First image shown azolla production by digging a pond, and second image shown azolla production in the rice field. In our country, azolla is naturally produced in boro or almond land. Without knowing about azolla, farmers uproot it and thinking as weeds. but Azolla provides nitrogen within 15 days of mixture. By planting Azolla in paddy field, 20 to 25% production can be increased. Here, how to use Azolla? Basically, Azolla can be applied in the field after drying. After transplanting of 1 week, dry Azolla can be applied in rice field. If stagnant water is present in the rice field, then Azolla can be cultivated in that field and can be mixed with clay soil after drying or can be transplanted. After Azolla production, it can applied after rotting it. Azolla can be mixed with the land when it is cultivated. Here you can see an image where a farmer applying Azolla, and he applying Azolla by broadcasting method. Importance of Azolla biofertilizer. Azolla is a valuable natural asset. The uses of Azolla biofertilizer are: firstly, Azolla increase the amount of nitrogen into the soil. If Azolla is used in the field, it helps to add 250 to 500 kg nitrogen per hectare of land. Azolla can produce organic matter, can collect nitrogen from air, which is equal to urea. It supplies nitrogen nutrient for itself and shelter giver. Then Azolla can be used instead of urea. Less than use of ammonia gas. It helps to increase crop production. It helps to prevent environmental pollution. Azolla helps to increase the physical, chemical and biological properties of soil. Azolla is also used to prepare livestock and fish feed. It can be used as shade for saving vegetables from excess rain and sunlight. Trichoderma biofertilizer. What is trichoderma? Trichoderma is a helpful fungus. It lives on soil, waste materials left of agricultural product. It helps to destroy other fungus, bacteria and nematode. Its characteristics is to stay freely in the soil, quickly rots the organic matters and increase the fertility of soil by adding organic fertilizer. Among many Trichoderma species, Trichoderma viride, Trichoderma herzianum are used for plant disease prevention in our country. For preparing normal compost, 6 months time is required, but if Trichoderma is used with compost preparation, then only 5 to 6 weeks is required for uses. After 5 to 6 weeks, the compost is prepared for uses. Here you can see some images. First image shown the microscopic view of Trichoderma viride. Second, Trichoderma with organic matter is collected for lab culture. Third image shown Trichoderma culture in petri dish conical flask. And fourth is the jelly-shaped Trichoderma viride. Production procedure of Trichoderma. In favorable condition, Trichoderma is cultured in lab. At first, isolation is done in lab collecting Trichoderma from rotten agricultural remaining. Trichoderma starts reproduction when chemical materials are given in culture media. This Trichoderma can be mixed with talcum powder, jelly or liquid materials and can be packed or directly sold in bottle by formulation or can be directly applied in soil. A hole is prepared whose depth is 0.5 meter, length 1 meter and weight is 1 meter for Trichoderma production. Different waste materials like kitchen waste, agricultural byproduct which can be rotting are poured in the hole. Rest production procedure of Trichoderma. Then 150 ml tricho suspension are sprayed is whole and then mixed properly with a stick. Within 4 to 5 weeks, waste materials rot into organic fertilizer. If the temperature is less and materials are hard, then it requires 2 to 1 weeks more. Then trichoderma mixed organic fertilizer is to be kept to become cool and powdered to sell in packets. At present, trichoderma powder, liquid, jelly or knot shaped is produced and it can be applied in every type of crop field. Here you can see two images. One is liquid form of trichoderma and another is powder form of trichoderma. It is sold in the market and farmer can buy it and apply in their field. Importance of trichoderma biofertilizer. Trichoderma secretes a poisonous material named glyotoxin which destroys Pythium named fungus. So it is very important for it is directly used for preventing soil contaminating diseases. It is used for purifying seeds. If it is used with organic fertilizer, it works as activator. Thus, the organic fertilizer can easily mix with the soil and the nutrients are released easily. It increases quality of soil and destroys harmful germs. It helps to growth of plants, less disease occurs and increase production. Here you can see four images. First two images shown Trichoderma viride versus cowpea root rot. If cowpea seeds are treated with Trichoderma biofertilizer, then the results shown in the first image. And if cowpea seeds are not treated with Trichoderma biofertilizer, then the results shown in the second image. You can easily differentiate it. In first image, more cowpea plants are present, and in second image, the number of cowpea plants are less and the plants are not well. So it hampers the yield. Last two images show presenting the effect of Trichoderma viride on tomato dumping of diseases. If Trichoderma is applied in the tomato plant, then the results are shown in the first images. Here, tomato dumping of diseases are less, and if it is not treated, then dumping of diseases is more, which hamper tomato plants. The results are easily shown in third and fourth image, and you can easily differentiate these. My dear students, if you have any questions or queries, feel free to ask your subject teacher. They must help you. That's all for today's lecture, and thank you all.